In this video, I'm going to show you today how to reset Safari in a few quick, easy steps. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. So if you go into settings and then down in the search box, type in Safari, go into Safari, scroll all the way down to bottom, go to advanced, you've got website data in there. Got any website data, just click on remove website data. Tap back and tap back again. As you can see on my phone, I've got clear history and website data. Just tap on there and you can clear all history to clear history. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. Thanks for watching.